friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabet. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Goodbye. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon. Bye. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for grape. H is for horse. I is for iron. Z is for jackfruit. K is for king. L is for lock. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rainbow. S is for strawberry. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for Christmas. Y is for yak. Z is for